first graders, it's Friday. I hope you've had a great week working with your distance learning lessons. Your teachers and I sure do miss seeing you a lot, but we're happy to know that you are still learning and still working hard. This week in math, we've been talking about balancing equations or making the value on one side be the same or equal to the value on the other side. We've met my friend Edgar, the equal sign. My name is Edgar, the equal sign. As long as both sides of me are equal, I'm fine. I like both sides to be balanced and fair. Help me out if you dare. We've used a tool that looks kind of like this, a balance, trying to make this side be the same as the other side. And my monkey friend has helped us out a little bit to see if our equations, our numbers were balanced, if they were equal. Today we're going to be working on some word problems, balancing equations. This one says, which expressions show the same value? They've given me 3 different choices. That means I need to solve each choice to see if the numbers are the same, if they are balanced. Choice A says 12 minus 2 is the same as 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. All right, they gave us both numbers. Let's solve. 12 minus 2. 12, take away 2. 12, 11, 10. 12 minus 2 has a value of 10. Let's solve the other side. 7 minus 3. 7, take away 3. 7. 6, 5, 4. 7 minus 3 has a value of 4. Would Edgar, the equal sign, be happy here? Is 10 the same as 4? It's not. So we know that 12 minus 2 is not the same as 7 minus 3. That's not the answer choice I'm looking for. Let's try something else. Option B, 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is the same as, that's what my equal sign means, 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4. All right, let's find the value of the first side. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3 has a value of 12. Now let's solve the blue side. 8 plus 4. 8 in my brain and 4 on my fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 has a value of 12. Would Edgar, the equal sign, be happy here? 12 is the same as 12. Edgar would be happy. 9 plus 3 is the same as 8 plus 4. Those are equal. So that would be the answer to choose. But let's double check option C just in case. Let's see what we come up with. 9 plus 4 is the same as 14 minus 8. Okay, I'm going to start with this side. 9 plus 4. 9 in my brain and 4 on my fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 plus 4 has a value of 13. 14 minus 8. 14 in my brain, and this time I need 8 fingers out. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 14 minus 8 has a value of 6. Is Edgar, the equal sign, happy? Is 13 the same as 6? No, it is not. So I double checked and my answer was correct. B, 9 plus 3 was the same as 8 plus 4. Remember to go ahead and solve all of your choices just to double check your work. All right, let's switch it up and do something a little bit different using those same skills. Here's a new word problem for us. Find the number that would balance the equation. Hey, we did this yesterday. I know you're already experts. Let's get started. 16 minus 8 is on one side equals 6 plus what? 6 plus a missing number. Remember, if one number is missing, I'm going to always start by solving the side of the equation that has both pieces. 16 minus 8. I'm going to put 16 in my brain and put 8 on my fingers to take away. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 16 minus 8 equals 8. You might have already known that answer because we know the doubles fact 8 plus 8 equals 16. So that's a great number family that I know. Now, I need this side to also have a value of 8. 6 plus what would give me 8? I'm going to start on 6 and I'm going to count up to 8. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. My missing number was 2. Double check my work. 6 plus 2 is the same as 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Is Edgar the equal sign happy? He sure is. That means my missing number was 2. The answer choice would be A, 2. All right, you ready for one more? I think you are. Here's one more type of problem for today to get your thinking caps going. This is a word problem. That means I have to listen to the story and figure out the numbers that I need. Gabby has 3 cats and 8 dogs. Which expression shows the same value? Is it 6 plus 5, 6 plus 9, or 10 plus 2? You might have noticed none of those equations had the numbers 3 and 8 in them. So it's up to us to figure out which one of these has the same value as 3 and 8. Gabby has 3 cats and 8 dogs. Now if it's 3 and 8, am I going to add or subtract? We know that 3 and 8 means I'm putting those two numbers together. I'm going to add. And 3 plus 8, I'm going to start with that big number 8 in my brain and count on 3 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 plus 8. Gabby has 11 pets. That's an awful lot of pets to take care of. I need the number on this side to also be 11 for my equation to be balanced. So let's try with this first one, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. That's my first choice. 6 plus 5 more, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. I know that answer works. Let's see if any of the other answers work as well to balance my equation. What about 6 plus 9? Does that give me 11? Well, I always start with that big number 9. I'm going to add on 6 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Uh-oh, that did not equal 11. So that is not a choice that would match the same value. Let's try this last one, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 equals, you know it, it's 8. Is this balanced and equal? No, it is not. 10 minus 2 does not have the same value. So my only answer today was 6 plus 5. 3 cats and 8 dogs. 3 and 8 gave me a value of 11. And 6 plus 5 also gave me a value of 11. That's how I know A was the correct choice today. Today, you're not going to have big cards to solve. Instead, you're going to have a paper that looks like this, but you'll solve the problems the same way. Number 1, which expression has the same value? That's exactly what we just did together. Number 2, find the number to balance the equations. And then when you get down to the bottom, it'll be a word problem, just like we solved up there, that you'll need to figure out if you're putting the numbers together or taking the numbers apart to create that first math sentence. I hope that you have had a great week of math. I've been super proud of all that you've learned and all that you've shown, and I can't wait to see you next week. See you soon.